how to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. If you've been wanting to add the same song to multiple Instagram stories, then you're in the right song. So you've got a favorite song that you want to use across a few Instagram stories, but you're not sure how to add it again without repeating the process for each one, right? Well, I've got a trick for you, so let me show you how to put the same song. First up, open your Instagram app, swipe right, and create a story. You can either capture a photo or you can simply choose from your gallery. Now let's add a first song. Go to music and search for your favorite music. For example, let's say those eyes. Okay, so I'll be choosing this song and choosing the first part or just using the song slider to adjust the part of the song which I want to play. Cause, cause all of the like this. Things that you do. Now, as you can see, I've kept the first story. Now, if I want to simply put the same story with a multiple same song, now simply go to the music icon again, and when you need to search the song, you don't need to search. As you can see in the recent, we can see the song that we just kept earlier. Just tap on it and choose your part, whichever you want to keep. And that's it. That's how you simply put same song in multiple stories in Instagram.